Well, good morning in Talofa again, bikers. I feel like I should do my best David Attenborough impression here, which is not good. It'll go something like this. So here in a copse of woods in the southeast of England, we wait for the elusive Southern Motocrosser known to reside in this area. Well, they won't be too long, because here we are, and this is indeed the Elvetham Forest track. As I mentioned last time, it's a tricky little track. I've got the 200 again today, partially because I've been riding it a couple of times, so I'm hoping it'll get better, right? But also because 250F, I've used it mostly for cross country for most of its life, so I've set it up for that. So I'm making a couple of changes, and a one uprated shock spring just arrived from California yesterday, so it's sitting on the bench. So I'll change the suspension, stiffen it up a bit for motocross, and change the gearing. I dropped a couple of cogs on the rear for cross country, because you run out of gas, you run out of speed quite quickly with motocross gearing, certainly on a 250F anyway. So we'll put it back to motocross settings and see how we go. But for today we've got the 200 again, and this is the forest track. As you can see, does what it says on the tin, right? It's in the forest. Now, to be fair, it's actually a perfectly fine little track. I find it quite tricky, particularly on the 200. I prefer the 250F here, but it'll be fine, and this is the day for it. The forecast today is like to hit 28, 29. It's, I think, about 22 already, and it's 9 o'clock in the morning here, so she's going to be hot. It's going to be a good day to be in the shade, and it should be fun. So obviously I'll go for a little bit of walk around and maybe show you a little bit more of the track in the process, but then obviously once we get on the bike you can have a look at it properly. Now if I turn around there, you can probably see the vans parked around it. The downside of this track is that the parking's a little bit scarce, right? And so it's spread right around the track all the way and into the forest over here. I'm actually over here, because if you're late and I'm not early, then you have to be like over there, and you get to push your bike all the way around, all the way over the hill and down to the start lane and back again, which is the exact opposite of Pale Lane, and a bit of a bugger when you're a tired old man. Yes, I know, I should just get up earlier, fair enough. I had that coming, right? All right, talk to you again in a second. Might not have solved the squeaky boot problem, at least for today. I threw some gumboots into the car for the walk around to spare myself the squeak, squeak, squeak of my riding boots. Well, for you Brits, that's a pair of Wellingtons. Yeah, just a bit of a view of some of the bits of the track that are deeper in the woods, on the far side from the start line at this point. So yeah, they've got the digger out and they're working on the track. The Bowser's all set to go. It's warming up nicely. Should be prime racing conditions, or in my case prime riding conditions. Anyway, so today I'm trying another class. Remember I said in the general overview they have lots of classes to sort of try and give everybody a fair go. So today I've entered in the pre-2010 class. I've not done that before. Don't know how many starters we'll have. There's some classic bikes in the parking area, so including a nice, in fact an immaculate Mako 400 and a few CRs and things floating around, so I guess there'll be a few of us old ring dinger-dingers out there. Alright, should be good, right? So I'll see you on the bike. Right, so we'll let them go. Seeing as this is actually just practice for me. Have a look at the track. overshot of it there, even at this low pace. Shit. And the cavalry. Now, let's do a chance, bud. Great. Little clod at the end of the day there. Right in the mouth. Just what I needed. Right. Right, well, oh, blimey, that has been hard work. So my mistake today was, although I went out in the qualifying race not intending to go in the graded groups, I didn't go back and look at the board and realised I'm only running 2 big groups today rather than 3 or 4. So hence, I've been hot behind the 8 ball the whole way. Not ideal when you're turning 60 shortly and it's bloody hot, just not enough time to recover. So it's been a hard day, never mind. Yeah, still a tricky little track. Definitely prefer the RMZ. Whereas this 200's a lot of fun down at Horsham, but I prefer the RMZ here. Anywho, good day had in the sense that I'm all in one piece, bike's in one piece. I may be keel over with heat stroke after turning off the vid, but I haven't done so yet. Anyway, so thanks for watching. If you got this far, don't forget the old like and subscribe thing. Everyone tells me it really makes a difference. Okay, ciao for now.